Going beyond Layer 3 switching, we can go one step ahead. What if we had a lot of deterministic traffic patterns? We knew the paths that application traffic will be taking. We understood our traffic flows, and we wanted to increase our capabilities even more. To achieve this, we might choose to use multi-layer switching. Multi-layer switching goes above Layer 3 by using hardware ASICs to switch packets at Layer 2, Layer 3, and at Layer 4, where ports can be examined. This means that application-specific traffic flows can be optimized. Multi-layer switching is able to do forwarding at wire speed, so that instead of leaving the switch, all of a sudden hitting a router on a 100 meg interface, slowing down the entire process to do route determination and becoming a bottleneck, it can move everything on the back plane of the switch. One of the added advantages of multi-layer switching is that once we identify how to route a packet on the back plane, we will never have to examine it again. So multi-layer switching not only combines the functions of the Layer 2 switch and the router, but it also adds what is known as a route cache component or a flow cache component. And every time it determines exactly how to move data from one area of the network to the other. This means that multi-layer switching examines the Layer 3 information only once for the very first packet. After it has been able to catch the direction of travel for that packet flow, it no longer requires Layer 3. At that point, we can see that traffic flow is being switched from port to port at wire speed, so that traffic flow is cached at Layer 3 based upon IP addresses. Moreover, we can control application-specific traffic at Layer 4, where now we can use both source and destination port to optimize our traffic flows. This gives us an incredible amount of flexibility, as we might choose to catch only certain application traffic flows in our network environment, such as our email or database traffic. Letting the remainder of the traffic flows simply be routed at Layer 3 without having to use the case gives us an excellent control over application-specific traffic flows in our large or complex network environments.